Say I love you. Ba't kaya ganito? Hello everyone. Ipa tayo ng song guys. And make you understand. All you have to do is close. Lipat na tayo ng song guys. Hindi ko pala ito alam. This one guys. Parang iba yung ano ko ngayon. Parang nasa condition yung ano ko. Thank you sa pagpunta guys. Don't forget to double tap the screen and send me a recom card. Thank you. Once again, I'm May from Sugar Rolls Agency and Family. Next song guys. Ngayon na rin ito. Nang minsan naranasan kong mag-isa. Pilit ko na nilingon ang tulad niya. Nawawala ako guys. Hindi ko marinig ba? Nakita ka at nasabi ko na nga ang hinahanap pa. Sorry guys, sorry. Namahili. Baka na naman. Hindi ko masyadong marinig. Ngayon'y narito isang katulad mo na sa'kin ay nagmamahal ng buong tapat. Nangakong akin lang ang pag-ibig na wagas. Ang siyang naramdaman, yun ay nagmumula sa'yo, sa puso ko. At kapwa ay hindi magbabago. Hindi ko masyadong marinig yung music at yung boses ko. Nakita ka at nasabi kong ikaw na nga ang hinahanap at dinarasal na makapiling ko. Ngayon'y naririto isang katulad mo na sa'kin ay nagmamahal ng buong tapat. Nangako akin lang ang pag-ibig na wagas. Ang siyang naramdaman, ito'y nagmumula sa'yo, sa puso ko. At kapwa ay hindi magbabago. At parang may nag-iingay guys. Ano ang sinasabi ko? Okay, guys. Isang katulad mo na sa'kin ay nagmamahal na buong tapat ng ako akin lamang pag-ibig na wagas ang siyang naramdaman. Ito'y nagmumula sa'yo, sa puso ko, at kapwa ay hindi magbabago. Okay, next song tayo, guys. Ako, Diyos ko. Next song, guys. Next song. Police. Dito lang ako nakapili ng kanta, guys. Pasensya na po at di ko kayo nakikita lahat. Lahat ng mga pumapasok, salamat.
As a mom, I can care for them when they're sick or protect them from harmful germs.
Thank you guys. Mga bagong pasok dyan, don't forget to double tap the screen and send me a welcome card. Thank you. Once again, I'm May from Sugar Rose Agency and Family.
10 germ protection. Unlike another antibac soap, it protects against 10 types of harmful germs.
Ito pa marinig yung ano ko.
Exit na po ay bitin.
Mahirap mo. Thank you everyone sa mga nagsusundang gifts dyan. Sa mga dumalaw sa live. There was a time when broken hearted, broken dreams were over. There was a place where all you could do was wish on for if over. But now it's a new time, there is a new place where the real just can't come true. It started the day when I left you. Oh, I could never love again the way that I love you. Never cry again, and I did when I left you. And when we said goodbye, oh, the look in your eyes, just to be beside myself in your heart. I could never cry again, now that we're apart. Now it's Sunday, it was too late to turn around and tell you so. There was no reason, just a foolish beat on my heart. could never love again the way I love you. Oh, I could never cry again like I did when I left you. And when we said goodbye, oh, the look in your eyes just left me beside myself without your heart. I could never cry again now that we're apart. Thank you guys. Thank you manager. Sa aking mga ka-agency dyan, thank you everyone for supporting always. Love you all. Bago pasok dyan, don't forget to double tap the screen guys and send me a welcome card. Thank you everyone. Sana lahat yung mga I could never love again now that we're apart. Never love again now that we're apart. Okay, next song tayo guys. Sorry talaga guys, di ko kayo makita. So, ano naman? This one guys. Thank you everyone sa pagsama sa live ko. Thank you sa pagsama sa aming live house guys. Appreciate it. Ay. Wala. Balik na pala to. Ito guys. Next song. Amin nag-request. I know there's something in the wake of your smile. I get a notion from the look in your eye. Yeah, you build a love, but the love falls apart. Deep into heaven, turns to dark. Listen to your heart when it's calling for you. Listen to your heart. There's nothing else you can do. I don't know where you're going, and I don't know why. Listen to your heart before you tell him goodbye. Everyone, sometimes you wonder if this fight is worthwhile. The precious moments are all lost in the tide. Yeah. Slip away, and nothing was it seems. Feeling of belonging to your dreams. Is it to your heart? again, guys. Okay. Hats, sa lahat ng admin, aming lahat ng member ng agency. Salamat sa support, guys. Thank you guys. Sa mga hindi ko ka-agency dyan, thank you sa pagpunta sa aking lighthouse. Sa lahat ng mga sender, thank you guys. Sige, magkapangutan na. Oy! Next song tayo, guys.
Hala, daan na gitan awon.
Hindi na ako makita. Oy, gihahak
Kaya
mo
di
eh.
ko masarangan sa budget ang bag-o.
Ito talaga makita.
Oh, with Tide Expert Clean. Mas matangtang
Thank you sa lahat ng mga pumunta sa agency ko, manager.
Dapat Tide.
Belica. Ito talaga makikita, guys. This is my last song, guys. Ano ko ba ito? Take my breath away. Saan ba ako nakita, guys? Yung kabisado yung pinipindot ko, pindot-pindot na lang ako. I give you all my life, now and forever till the day I die. You and I will share all the things this changing world can offer. So I see I'd be happy just to stay this way, spend each day with you. Yeah, thanks. There was a time that I just thought that I would lose my mind. You came along and then the sun did shine. Started on our way. Recall that every moment was spent wasted time was laid on the line. I put the past away, put the past away. All my life, I will carry you through. All my life, with the wind sweet shower of the rising days, I will stay with you. There was a time that I just thought that I would lose my mind. You came along and then the sun did shine. Started on our way. I do recall that every moment spent was wasted time. But then I chose to lay it on the line. I want this all my life. Want this all my life. Want this all my life. This all my life. I want this all my life. Next song, guys. This is my last song. Thank you everyone sa pagdalo. Sa pag-send ng gifts, thank you. Much appreciated. Chat. Right here waiting. Lain akong tutunulan ba? Oceans apart, and I slowly go insane. I hear your voice online. Marag di mo gawa sa tiyo ba? But it doesn't stop to pain. If I see you next to never, how can we stay forever? Wherever you go, whatever you do, I will be right here waiting for you. Whatever it takes, or how my heart breaks, I will be right here waiting for you. I took for granted all the times that I thought would last somehow. I hear the laughter, I taste the tears, but I can't get near you now. Oh, can't you see it, baby? You've got me going crazy. Wherever you go, whatever you do, I will be right here waiting for you. Whatever it takes, or how my heart breaks, I will be right here waiting for you. I wonder how we can survive this romance. But in the end, if I'm with you, I'll take the chance. Dito na ko pila kong kanta. Thank you everyone. Salamat sa pagdalo. May lag na jud ko. Hindi na ako makita. May lamig. Di ko feel yung ano ko ngayon. Uy, Angelica, di ba di nagka-live pa si ano? Whatever you do, I will be right here waiting for you. Whatever it takes. Thank you guys. End ako guys, end.
As for the tomboy demon, she definitely didn't count as a beauty, but she could maybe... Yung tama lang hindi puso na uso ng water, pero pag-program mo yun. Hindi yun. Susubukan din natin yan, Rabi. Let's go!
Ay, yung tubig!
Tubig. Ito yun. Bakit lagyan ng tubig?
So, ito na. Tingnan natin kung gano'n na dapat. Kapag ito. 3, 2, 1. Kaya nag-marker ko dapat ito na babysitter para ito ang pumasik sa ulan. Ganon. Dapat mag-number tayo. Number ako tayo. Okay. Dapat. Hindi mo lang yung mga natin si tatay. Si tatay. Hey. Kaya naman parang si Rari. Pinagala din ang yan. Eh, sa online eh, silipin na lang mata niyo. Tapos sa kanya ikuhan. Yan, tingnan nga.
Na-prank siya.
Yung bahay.
Sisipatin niyo ang ayos ha. Kasi pag nakakuha niyo, parang kayong kuha na talaga. Yan, lapitan niyo. Tapos ilipin niyo ang ayos sa mata para masipat-sipatin niyo. Yan. Yan. Sipatin niyo ang mata. So malapit. 3, 2, 1, go.
Tawa din.
Ito, papatunan ko na ka rin plastic natin. Patutupain ko lang kung itong water gun. Okay na tayo? Sa tahan. Drawings of animals in real life. This one is so ugly, I'm going to call my friends to see it too. Ugly monkey from hell. Good night. Drawings of animals in real life.
Ano, tara na, kakain na tayo ng oras na Dali na. Kakain. Halika na. Yung prinito ni Tito. Dali na.
can barely manage money for food.
Kahit
So how can
konti
we
ang
afford a
kakain.
lipstick? But no worries. I have
Di ba
complete
kumain ka na
faith in the
kanina?
skill of my own hands. Let me tell you,
Kahit
I'm going to
konti na
figure
lang
something out and
kainin.
make a
Tapos,
beautiful lipstick for my
milk
grandma.
na.
I don't know if you
Milk.
love your grandma or not, but I
Inom ka
love
milk
mine
na.
with all my heart.
Uy
I
pa
can do
yung
anything for her.
milk
So if you love
mama.
your grandma
Para
too,
tumaba.
please like this
Uy pa
video,
yung milk
subscribe to the
mama.
channel,
Mauna
and
na
write your
yung
grandma's
milk.
sweet name in the comments below.
Inumin mo
Friends,
muna
the
yung milk.
lipstick is ready.
Apa?
Grandma,
Ay,
look what I
ganun.
made for you. Wow.
Baliktad naman. Halika na. Gawin mo. Hindi pa ba tapos mag-casting itong mga to? Ang oras na. Oras ba ako magbukas?
Get down and protect your little head. Hey, Mom, the earthquake stopped. Hurry, let's grab the emergency supplies and evacuate quickly. Oh, no, honey, these aren't emergency supplies. Phones, flashlights, water, and food are the real emergency supplies. Helen, hey, Julie, we can't take the elevator. We have to take the stairs. Bend down and protect your little head.
Mom, I just remembered my brother is still at home.
Quick, let's go back to save him. Lang Lang, run! It turns out Lang Lang was skipping rope. I thought it was an earthquake.
Ito tayo.
Don't skip rope in the house, please. It's so noisy.
Sorry, we won't do it again.
It's such bad luck to live below your apartment.
You crazy boy, why were you skipping rope indoors? I thought an earthquake was happening.
Oh no, an earthquake is happening. Can anyone help me? Mom, run!
No, we can easily get hit by falling objects if we run out now. We should find a table to hide under right away. Get down and protect your little head.
Hey Mom, the earthquake stopped.
Hurry, let's grab the emergency supplies and evacuate quickly. Oh no, honey, these aren't emergency
Mom,
Kunin mo na. Kuha ka na ng milk dali.
We have to take the stairs. Bend down and protect your little head.
Mom, I just remembered my brother is still at home.
Quick, let's go back to save him. Lang Lang, run! It turns out Lang Lang was skipping rope. I thought it was an earthquake.
Don't skip rope in the house, please. It's so noisy.
Sorry, we won't do it again.
It's such bad luck to live below your apartment.
You crazy boy, why were you skipping rope indoors? I thought an earthquake was happening.
Pwede ba si Deo? Pwede ba si Deo?
Kumuha ka na ng milk? Di ba?
Hindi pa.
Hindi pa po.
Unless someone found a solution. A woman saw her rat running in a cage and came up with a plan to save the world. She started running and told everyone along the way to run with her in the same direction, hoping to restart the Earth's rotation. Scientists backed her idea and said that if all humans ran together, they could make the Earth spin again. Breaking speed records. A basketball player ran so fast that he smashed through a fence.
Bebe.
Kobe Bryant also landed from a
Okay.
helicopter and joined
Patayin
the
ko lang
race
yung
with
electric
style.
fan.
Everyone was running in the same direction. Suddenly, the Earth had stopped spinning. Every news channel was covering the news, causing widespread panic among the people. They heard the news that the world was doomed unless someone found a solution. The woman saw her rat running in a cage and came up with a plan to save the world. She started running and told everyone along the way to run with her in the same direction, hoping to restart the Earth's rotation. Scientists backed her idea and said that if all humans ran together, they could make the Earth spin again. People from different countries joined the race for survival. They ran non-stop, day and night. Athletes were at the front, breaking speed records. A basketball player ran so fast that he smashed through a fence. Kobe Bryant also landed from a helicopter helicopter and joined the race with style. While everyone was running in the same direction, this man was running in the opposite direction. Just then, everyone received
Ano
a warning that
yan?
they had been running the wrong way, and only the man was right.
Ano yan? Ha?
Ang sigal yun.
Sigal. May 7. Ay, 8 pala. Yung green ang 7.
Ano po?
Yung green ang 7. Oo. Green na lang.
Yun lang.
Yun yung promo. May fish. Ito.
Green po.
Ay, oh, green.
Ay, tapos eh. Sadya.
Ganun. Puti pala, puti. Puti parang tawag dyan. Minus 86. Ito.
Six-third na blue.
Ha?
Six-third na blue.
Blue. Ito.
Magkano po?
25. Okay na. Ano sa'yo?
Premium ate.
Ilan?
Dalawa. Tapos ko ito mo isa. Isang premium ba pala ito?
Bali tatlo. Nine plus 12. One, 38. Thank you. Ito na yung milk.
Gawa niya ang bahay niya sa paraang kahit
May bumili lang.
iikot talaga ulo nila. Kasi pag binuksan ng magnanakaw
Oo,
ang
iyan mo dun.
pagkain at inumin lang ang makikita. Meron pa siyang special
Buksan
na
mo.
towel na pwede mong pahabain.
B. Buksan mo yung water. Ano mo? Yan.
Mama,
Hmm.
lapit mo.
Yan mo na. Paipa to. Ano mo? Sige pa.
Sige pa?
Mm-hmm.
Ano yan?
Sige na. Sarado mo.
Ubus.
Parang kunti lang ang tubig. Kunti pa lang.
Kailangan. At hindi pa tapos doon, ang dami niyang pinagawa na secret rooms na hindi malalaman ng kahit sino. Kahit magnanakaw o pulis, hindi nila maiisip na may mga nakatagong kwarto pa pala sa loob ng bahay.
Galing naman nun. Doon na lang, B. Tingnan natin kung ano yung kwarto.
Yeah, she thinks you're hot.
Saan?
And your friend is a woman.
Yan.
Sabi yung may nakatagong,
Any surprises like last time?
may nakatagong
Hers was bigger than mine.
kwarto.
Might be the day. 1, 2, 3.
childhood, they had never seen real food before. In the future, to save time, people completely stopped eating meals. One capsule was enough to make you completely full. Restaurants completely stopped cooking. Even romantic dinners were just a heart-shaped capsule. Even dog food was made into capsules. The girl's mother was always busy with work. Every morning, she would give her daughter capsules for breakfast. After classes ended, all the children in school would be given a capsule. That day, when she came home from school, she found her mother was sick, but still working desperately. Meanwhile, they had run out of capsules at home. The girl was forced to go out and buy new ones. On the way back, she accidentally discovered a strange iron pot. She had never seen such a thing before. Out of pure curiosity, she followed the pot. It led her through narrow alleys, through dense forests, all the way to a peculiar little house. A little bull carried the pot up. Why are the salutes of the Land Army, Navy, and Air Force are different from one another? You see, behind every salute is a different meaning. The Land Army salute is typically straight, indicating that they do not have a weapon.
Nagkaon ka naman, no?
Their salute is pointing towards the sky, indicating that they will fly. And Navy keeps the palm down because sailors' hands were often stained with grease and tar. And showing a dirty palm to a superior is considered rude. Why are the salutes of the Land Army, Navy? I am hiding from the police because they're hunting me and my friends down. Special forces, drone, and night vision goggles. We only have 3 minutes to hide before they start chasing us. The problem is that we're running to a dead end with just bushes on the side, surrounded by water full of crocodiles and sharks.
It seems like there's nowhere we can actually hide. No, dude, yeah, we're gonna get caught.
We're all trying to find our own hiding spot, because the last one to be found is the winner. While the police is already getting ready to start chasing us, Chris reveals Brandon's strategy.
Let them pass a few minutes to go around. Go back to the beginning.
But I have an idea. Going all the way to the end seems like an obvious decision. But if I find a really good spot and they pass me, that's a guaranteed win. Okay, well, here. Where's the water? If we get bit by one, we're done, bro. Just Chris and Brandon are approaching. Alright, gentlemen, the eye in the sky is up. Let's go. Brandon and Chris are still walking towards the end.
Chris, that would be a shame that you were pushing the water.
Covering myself with dirt and wood. I know from this. And the drone won't be able to get little do I know. Brady's getting the shore with the drone, also walking up the street. We should catch these guys in no time. Meanwhile, Chris and Brandon have a new problem. That makes it impossible for them to stay at one place.
Getting attacked by all the sailors.
Water wall on me. Things are fighting like crazy.
No, there's no answers in here. We're gonna see you.
Magkakos muna ako.
Decision of wearing white shoes today and found out that this.
Namiss.
Luckily, isn't the
11
same.
minutes.
Please getting closer and closer. Hey, don't push too far. We don't want to miss anybody. Let them come to us. You can't hide from the eye in the sky, boys. And just moments later, Brandon nudges his Chris on the other side. Hey, Chris.
Ana. Ana.
Sardin.
Na.
Mega po. Yung isang pula at isang
Green. May ano pa ba? Wala nang red. Master lang.
master na lang.
Masarap din naman. Bukas pa na.
7. Ang kano?
28 isa. 56. 56. Thank you. Tayong suka. Ito na yun natin. Suka.
Isa tuyo.
Gusto ko to eh. Gusto ko lang
Mama,
suka.
tuyo. Kay mama.
Oh, sige. Tuyo sa'yo.
Halfway.
Okay.
Mama, yung half. Half mo.
Wait lang.
Half. Suka. Tuyo.
Suka and tuyo.
Suka. Tuyo, mama.
Magkaiba lalagyan natin. Suka sa'yo, tuyo sa akin. Ito na lang. Wala.
Because the police is already getting close. This point is so dark over there that I'm not going to see them come the moment they look over.
Hey, what did you
But they are not our only problem.
I have a spider next to me. This is
I was getting hungry.
I did bring a protein bar, so you can also get the best protein bars, Gainers and creatine with a discount with code Brown.
Ay, oo nga pala. 2K.
I know.
Ano
That
pala?
wasn't bad enough already. The police
Baba, sa'yo yung gagawin mama.
Sa Kitansky.
Mama,
Number 8.
Let's see if they got it. And then some flashlights. I think he saw me. He's telling me. Walking up to Brandon. There we go. I was a complete ace. They got Brown. No way. The worst part is, I thought was wearing black shoes. You might have not found me. So now it's only Brandon and Chris left. Just a few seconds later. There you go. They just got another. Let's go.
Nasaan na yung ganito?
They not just found Brandon.
no? Mama, sa'yo yung gagawin mama.
Hmm?
Mama, sa'yo yung gagawin. Akin yung gagawin. Ano?
Ano yan?
Ikin mo na.
Wait lang, may nabili. Ano yan? Ha? Royal? Meron ba? Wait lang, tingnan ko. Meron pa.
Bago siya.
Alin? Sky Foods.
To show their respect. Amazingly, the altar suddenly glowed with golden light, and the next second, the statue was magically transported right next to the man. He realized this beautifully crafted piece looked way too special to be ordinary, so he immediately contacted a professional. Sure enough, the expert instantly recognized it as a lost art of microcarving and offered $30,000 on the spot. He even showed the man a picture and told him if he could carve the figures in it, he'd pay another $3 million. The man was thrilled to hear all. Plankton discovered another new world that belonged to him today. He was ready to set out with a bill that could shrink and enlarge. After landing, Plankton almost became someone's delicious meal. In that urgent moment, he suddenly grew big and managed to survive. After growing big, Plankton found that he was extremely powerful in this world. He started to act arrogantly and snatched the king's crown. Soon, Plankton began to live the life of a king and enjoyed everything he had. Plankton, who was domineering,
Hawak
became
mo,
more
bebe,
and more
hawak.
outrageous. He started to attack the
Hawak mo
citizens
dyan.
everywhere. Soon, he aroused the public anger of the citizens. After being hit by an arrow, Plankton quickly fainted.
Baka mabutas. Mabutas?
Hindi.
Delikado. Ano ba?
Ako na.
Ay, ako na. Hawak mo dyan. Saan mo dyan? Sige, ganyan.
Akin yung gagawin. Mama, akin yung gagawin. Akin yung gagawin.
Nga. Baka biglang mabutas.
Natulo. Basa na. Okay. Dapat na. Akin yung gagawin. Uy, dapat na. Yun. Konting.
Ito.
Konting. Sama konting, mama.
Ngayon ka.
Immediately tried to stop Patrick from swallowing his pets, but they were already inside Patrick's stomach. Soon, Patrick became as huge as a mountain.
Yan, wait lang.
Ano?
Okay na.
Ako na. Baka matapos. Tap mo?
Oh, mahirap nga eh. Ako na nga.
Ako na, Nanay T. Saan na suka?
Yun.
Hindi ko kita man. Fire water. Hey, ito na.
Ah, baka matapon mo.
Hindi ko may kay. Mama! Hindi ko mama!
Wait lang.
Mo, mama ko. Ito may kay. Sini.
Akin na yan. Nalagyan mo na.
Papa.
Ang dami mo namang maglagay. Tatapon lang yan.
Ano yan natapon?